Welcome you all to today's video, children. This is class 5 English lesson 5, the Bishop's Candlesticks, part 2, conclusion. Let's move to the class with a short story. True friends. Ramu and Somu were friends. They were walking through the forest. They noticed a bear was following them. Ramu immediately climbed the tree without thinking of Somu. Somu did not climb the tree as he didn't know climbing the tree. Immediately he fell down on the floor by holding his breath. He pretended like the dead one. He knew that the wild animals never eat a dead one. So he held his breath for a while. The bear sniffed at him and went away. The bear thought that the Somu was a dead one, so it went away. So after that, Ramu climbed down and asked Somu what the bear said in his ears. Somu said, the bear said to leave the bad friendship. The one who helps in difficult situation is the best friend. So I leave you now. Friend in need is friend indeed. This is the moral the bear said to Somu. Okay children, hope you do have understood. Let us move to the class. The Bishop's Candlesticks part 2. Last class I have concluded that Jean Valjean went to sleep. He slept only for 4 hours. He woke up from the sleep and he started to thinking about the 6 silver plates which he saw on the dining table when he had his supper. He was thinking about the 6 silver plates seriously. He thought to steal the plates. And sell them in the market in Paris, and the money which he got from that will be used to set up a new business. So he stole everything from the table. The next day morning, the bishop was walking in the garden. His sister came and complained to him hurriedly that the convict is not in his room and the silver plates are not in the dining room. He must have stolen them. But the bishop pacified her. He did not worry about it. After some time, somebody knocked the door. They opened the door. A policeman and 2 soldiers entered with Valjean in the middle. They said that they found this man in the woods. Woods means forest. When they searched his bag, they found the 6 silver plates, and they could recognize that the plates belonged to the bishop. So they came to hand over the plates to bishop. But the bishop said, no man, he is my friend. Jean Valjean is my friend. I only offered him these 6 silver plates. I gifted him. He is not a convict. He is my friend, the bishop said. And moreover, the bishop gave the 2 silver candlesticks to Jean Valjean to set up his business. Then tears started rolling down from the Valjean's eyes. Then he felt becoming a man again. He apologized the bishop. He is becoming an honest man again. So this is the great personality of a great man. Hope you have understood the story, children. Question for you. Why did Valjean steal the plates? Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.